Laila Majnu, a love story that's not only about love story but about friendship as well. So the second time I watched the movie, I could relate myself with Zed. Zed, who is Kes Bhatt's cousin slash best friend, you can say. Why?
नहीं,
Because he was always and
मैं अब
always there
यहीं
for
हूँ
Kes.
आपके साथ।
For all of us,
ठीक है?
Kes became Majnu. But for Zed, Kes remained Kes till Kes Bhatt's last breath. No, I think Kes remained Kes till Zed's last breath. After watching the movie for the second time, all I could think about was, did Kes never ever ever for once think about Zed? Like how traumatizing it must be for Zed. What all must have went in his mind? Like is this what love ends up to? Is this what love rewards us to? He lost his two favorite person, both Leila and Kes, and especially Kes. Like for Zed, his elder brother was his entire world, with whom Zed was there for in each and every step, and then he saw him on his deathbed as well. It must be so heartbreaking, traumatizing. I wonder if Zed will ever believe in love, if Zed will ever get married, if he'll ever be able to trust anyone at all. So here's a letter that I wrote for Majnu after meeting Zed, and this is how it goes. Hey Majnu, hi, how are you? How's the other world? Are you happy with your Laila? I'm not any Laila or Majnu, but I do relate to you. That is because, not exactly, but my heart also got broken in a similar way as yours. And at the initial days, I could not even smile. All I used to do was cry, and yet my heart never felt a pinch of ease. I tried all the possible ways, but this stubborn heart kept becoming heavier and heavier. I too was waiting for that person, like you waited for your Lela. I too hope that one day, by some miracle, the person I'm waiting for will come to me and we will live happily in this life, in this world. To be honest, I have this fear that now no one will ever meet the happy version of me, but will know the side of me who did nothing but just wait in a hope. And I will wait because I know I can never love any person as much as I love that person. But you know what, Majnu? I won't give up on life so easily. Not because I don't want to. I'm done with this life. Every day feels suffocating and it is filled with nothing but emptiness and pain. But also, you know what? There is so much more than this. You had your best friend Zed with you, and you still decided to give up on your life. Before becoming what you became, not for once did your close people cross your mind, or not for once at least Zed came into your mind. Do you ever wonder how difficult it is for Zed now? How traumatized he must have been for his whole life? How difficult or how hard it must have been for him to watch you lose yourself in front of his own eyes? Will he ever believe in love? He lost the person for whom he dedicated his whole life. He lost his favorite person. And not for once did you think about him. Not for once did he ever cross your mind. Not for once did you think that how Zed would live with all these burden. Not for once did you think that Zed would be regretting that he couldn't save his brother, even though it was out of his control. I'm sure he must have been so traumatized. He must be regretting everything. Not for once did any of this cross your mind. Well, I will try. No matter what, I will try, even if I'm done with this life. That is because I have my people with me who always prioritized me, who always chose me over anyone else, and who always made sure I at least smile, just like how Sad was trying and being there for you. You know what? If not for them, then I alone would have met you over there in the other world. If not for them, then I would have disappeared any time by now. I still don't want to live without the person I'm waiting for. I still don't want to, continue anything at all. However, I will wait. I will wait in a hope that one day, maybe just one day, everything will be fine. And I don't want to ever hurt my Zed. Hey Majnu, you know what? No matter how similar our stories are, I'll never become one of you for my Zed. Never.